Whenever.
Are we on?
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? Today... Gosh, dang it!
You were good.
Fucking suck!
You were good.
What's up, everybody? We bought the cheapest boat we could find on Facebook Marketplace for $600. We got this beautiful 1960 aluminum Lund V-Hull. Some people call him a John boat, but, you know, whatever. 1967 Johnson 9.5 horsepower motor. Came with the trailer, the boat, and the motor. $600. The only question we don't know is, will it sink? Will it run? Will it catch fish? Let's go find out. Here we go. Well, I started first pull. Let's see if we can get another one.
Supposed to do that?
If it's a 1967, yeah. No, I didn't have it on start. There we go. Woo-wee! Now we're cooking. Splash.
I'm on a boat, everybody look at me, cause I'm sailing on a boat. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat.
It's obviously very rocky standing sideways on the boat
Yeah.
versus when you we tried to join this boat party, but they told us to get our hunk of shit out of there. Well, so far no complaints. The motor runs. No leaks still. No fish. Maybe the only complaint, but he's got to try harder, honestly.
It's a nice GoPro shot.
Thank you. Money shot. Dude, if you guys can saw that cast, that's perfect. If a guy has a plane on the lake, I guarantee he stocks this side with fish. It would only make sense. Got one. Fish on. Oh, there we go, baby. It only cost $600 for this fish right here. There we go.
Hey, let me take a cool photo. Oh, with it in your hand.
Just paid for our boat, $600 right there.
Oh yeah.
That's a northern pike, I think.
Let me take a picture. Let me take a peek.
Hurry, go on. Jeez.
He gone.
Dude, that scared the snot out of me. I'm just reeling in for nothing. But my son told me, one more cast, Daddy. You were right. All right. Are we recording?
Yeah.
Hallelujah. Final thoughts for $600. I think we scored. Just other than a couple things I think we need to do. Seems like a pretty good deal. If you guys want to see some more sweet videos like this, if this video gets 3 likes, we'll do some more fishing videos. Peace.